Hi friends, and welcome to the last day of introductions for this release. Today we are introducing surprise gifts and its coordinating creative cuts, as well as pull paper slider creative cuts. Now let's look at the stamps first. These stamps were made to coordinate with the pull paper slider. We have a huge stack of gifts and we have a box that all of the 4 critters can pop out of using the pull paper slider. But of course, any of these images can be used without it as well. Today I'm showing you how to color the little llama. But the Copic colors I used for all of these images are in the description below. Next, let's take a look at what's included in the pull paper slider creative cuts. There's this cover piece, there is the slope that fits exactly over it, then we have 2 different tabs that can be used as pull tabs or can be used as the Z-fold. And what this does is thread between the front and the back of the panel so you can fasten your image to it. And then finally we have this round piece that says pull, you can add to the top of your card. Now let me show you how to put together this paper slider. These pull tabs double as both the stopper as well as the paper tab. Both of these tabs have score lines you can use to make the Z-fold, and I'm showing you how I do this with my bone folder. Here you can see how this makes a little double Z-fold or a little X. You can thread through your backing piece to create your slider. Now I found it easiest to thread through both of the pieces that are not glued down and then glue them down in the front once you thread it through. Now let's make the second Z-fold to put as the stopper at the top of our card. These white pieces are going to be my pull tab, and I doubled them up for some sturdiness. To make the slider slide better, I recommend using some powder tool like I am using here. Next, we add the round piece to the pull tab. Now we can glue down the pull tab as well as the stopper for the top. Just put liquid glue on both of the pieces and then line up the half circle at the top to create the perfect slider. Set it aside to dry for a minute and then you can test your mechanism. Now let's make a card base for this card. I'm fixing a standard sized card base with a piece of pattern paper and I'm layering a piece of peach cardstock over it. To make sure your mechanism doesn't get stuck, you need to add some dimension to the back. For this, I'm tripling up some foam tape, and this is 1mm foam tape. I recommend you keep testing your mechanism to avoid mistakes. Now we can decorate our card. I started by cutting the envelope piece included in the mini bow box. And I'm using this scrap piece of paper to put together the back. I cut one of the smaller hearts from the heart pocket set and I layer it behind my llama. I actually ended up snipping off a piece of the lower part of the envelope, but it's not shown in the video. Now we can add the image over top and it's ready to go onto our card. All of this card was inspired by the little envelope in the llama's hands. So I'm going to hide them behind this big stack of envelopes, and this is from the Jump for Joy stamp set. I'm marking down the lowest position for my llama with a piece of masking tape. This way I know exactly where I can put the foam tape on the back of my front panel with the envelopes. Now we can glue down our front panel as well as a piece that will slide up and down at the same time. I'm using some liquid glue for this. Just let it dry for a couple of seconds before trying your mechanism again. I heat embossed a sentiment and I'm using it directly over the envelopes. This is from the Easy Sentiments stamp set. My final piece is this special delivery, heat embossed on Kraft cardstock, which will both be a filler for the card as well as make a stopper for the pull tab. Here you can see that the sentiment doubles as a stopper for the mechanism. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from tomorrow, October the 15th, and I will see you next month for the November release. Bye!